Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing kind of like a walkthrough on my team's Beaver Cup build challenge like building. So let's go to the island and let's enter it. I would say it's like not the best work for me. I think my friend did great, but for me, I don't know. I'm a perfectionist, so it's fine. I think I just like wished it could be a little bit more on theme, but that's just my like personal preference. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the island to load. All right, I'm on the island right now, so let's give you a tour. So here we built this very cute fountain. And then to the left, there's just some kind of like carnival items. I didn't build this one, so I can't really tell you what's here. My friend built this super cute house with a very cute cat bed. Oops, I got stuck. Little cute seating area over here. And then we also have, let's go here first. My friend built this house too. It's 3 stories high. Stories? I don't know. It's very hard to give a tour when I don't know where to go, so I'm sorry about that. And then my other friend also built this greenhouse. We each had a theme for our houses. So yellow, blue, green, and mine is pink. So let's go to the back first. We have this like pool area. And then we have this like outdoorsy, cozy area. I don't know what it's called. Maybe like a greenhouse, I guess. I built this one. And I also built this very cute pink cafe. And I built this just like piano area. I also built this area as well. Like this super cute like gazebo. I don't know what it's called. Then I also built this like swing that I have a tutorial on my page, and I also built this boat as well. The tutorial is also on my page. This is just a smaller scale though because I didn't have a lot of space. And this is my pink house. Not a lot in it because it's super small. Just like a little lunch eating area and like the kitchen where you can like serve stuff, I guess. And the stairs are outside to go up because, again, I didn't have a lot of space. This is just like the bedroom area. And no, we do not have a bathroom. So it's fine. And then my friend built this other cafe, like this Maltese inspired cafe. And I built this outdoor seating area and this like fountain gazebo, which again, I have both of these tutorial on my page, just in case you wanted it, and this one as well, actually. But yeah, that is pretty much it. It's not a lot, but I don't really want a lot of stuff anyways. So yeah, if you liked this build, give it a thumbs up. But that is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And give it a thanks if you, again, like this build. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!